Hello guys, it's unboxing time. So guys, can you please guess what's the content of this? So we will open. It's like somewhat toothpaste in shape. Yeah. So this is toothpaste. This is Charang UV protection light up essence with SPF 50 plus PA. So, UV protection for mom, shall we vlog? Thank you again and again. UV protection with 50 SPF plus PA plus 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 plus. Thank you.